Most major wireless service providers, including Verizon, now allow customers to unlock their mobile phones to use on other wireless networks, as long as your Verizon phone has not been flagged as stolen or lost. It will automatically unlock after the 60-day period. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Your Digital Guide. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we will help you understand how to unlock a Verizon phone. Make sure it's been 60 days since you purchased your Verizon phone. As long as you bought your phone after July 2019, it will automatically unlock 60 days after the date of purchase. This is true for both pre and postpaid plans. Verizon will never relock your phone even if you are not current on your account. If you purchased a 4G phone in box from an authorized Verizon retailer, check the back of the box to find out if there's a different unlock period. If you bought a phone before July 2019, it will still be unlocked. If it isn't, you will just need to contact Verizon and ask them to unlock it for you. If you have an older 3G World or Global Ready phone from Verizon, see this method. First, insert your known Verizon SIM card into your phone. You will need to get a SIM card from a new mobile provider to start using their network. Once you have your new non-Verizon SIM, shut your phone down, remove your Verizon SIM and insert the new one. Once you switch the phone back on, it should automatically connect to your new provider's network. Before signing up for another provider, check their website for a bring your own device page or something similar so you can make sure your Verizon phone is supported by their network. Then contact Verizon if your phone is not unlocked. If after inserting the new SIM, you see a message that says something like SIM not supported, your Verizon phone is not unlocked. It could be because it been fewer than 60 days since purchase or that your phone was flagged as lost or stolen. To unlock your phone, you will need to contact Verizon customer support at 888-294-6804 or by dialing star 611 from your Verizon phone. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. You can drop your queries in the comment section below. And for more such informative videos, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Your Digital Guide. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye, take care and have a nice day.